Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Pepperstone app in your device. Pepperstone app is a valuable tool for a trader who wants to access the markets and manage their portfolios on the go. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Pepperstone. There you can see Pepperstone C Trader. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Pepperstone app for a premium online trading platform. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.